multiple choice question. Sometimes the options may confuse you, but not the question itself. Yes, confusion is always there, whether it's about picking what kind of book we would like to read, or what kind of business we would like to do, or maybe what kind of career option we would like to choose. But my friends, all the successful people face this kind of confusion. The difference is they always know how to come out of this confusion as quickly as possible so that they can give their energy towards their goals. So today I will be sharing with you 5 tricks that you can use in your life and come out of the confusion like a zip-zap. Welcome to Isha Inspires Lives. This is Isha Khanna, a motivational speaker and life coach and a parenting coach. I share motivational tips with you and some tricks to make your parenting effective. If you are new to my channel, click on subscribe button so you always get notified whenever a new video is released. And if you're already a subscriber, I thank you for your continuous support. So my friends, the 5 tricks that I'm going to talk about are very important. So listen to the video till the end. The first trick is accept that you are confused. Yes, acceptance is very, very important, my friends. A lot of times we start giving energy to why we are confused. Why is it that I am confused? I am such a big hotshot person. Why am I confused? No. Even though you are as successful as Ambani, or even though you are an unsuccessful person, confusion comes in everyone's life. We just need to know that how to come out of it. So accept that you are confused and stop giving to your energy to why you are confused, so you can focus more on the solution and focus on your goals. Second trick is write down all the possible outcomes that you are thinking of, all the possible options that you have in mind. Unless you write them down on a piece of paper, it will keep blocking your mind and you will not be able to think clearly. So write down everything that comes to your mind on the piece of paper. Third point is pick up the one that resonates more with your big goal, whether it be related to your relationship, whether it's related to your career, whether it's related to your job, or what kind of business you would like to have, or what kind of business setup you would like to have. So write down everything down, and if you have not thought of any goal, then I will urge you to think of a big goal in every areas of your life: relationship, health, finance, business or your career, and your relationships and your spiritual growth. Write down goals in different aspects of your life, and wherever you are confused and the options that you have written, pick up that option which resonates to the goal that you want to acquire in life. For example, I was recently asked by a person that how to know that this life partner will be the right life partner for you. So my question to that person is, have you ever thought of what kind of life partner you would like to have? So pick up the option that suits well with your big goal. If you are still getting confused, let's understand the 4th trick. The 4th trick is talk to a friend who you trust. Yes, sometimes it's okay to speak to someone who we trust and we can discuss the situation that we are facing, because sometimes even though we have everything in front of us, we are not able to see anything clearly because we have that attachment to the situation or solution. But the other person who is looking at the thing from an outer perspective, other person's perspective, he will not have that kind of confusion. So you can always discuss this with the person you trust and come up with a solution. Here, one important thing I would like to mention is the moment the other person's suggestion has become your choice or your solution, it does not remain other person's suggestion. It has become your solution now. You are whole soul responsible to take this solution in your life. So tomorrow, God forbid, if things don't work out, if this option doesn't seem to be right option for you, after some time, you cannot go back and tell the other person that it was you who suggested me this. No, a big no-no. You have to own that responsibility of that choice. Because now the moment you have accepted that suggestion has become completely yours, because you have decided to act upon it. My fifth point is trust your instinct. After doing all the 4 things, still you are not able to come up with the solution. Just write the question, what you are confused about, and leave it somewhere in your house or in your office, on your desk. And do not think about it anymore. Yes, do not think at all about it. And wait. Solution will come on your own. Trust your instinct. When I do this, I get solution at times maybe by watching some movie, maybe by having an interaction or conversation with a friend, or maybe while reading something. I don't know. But all of a sudden I get my answers in one of those things. And that is what I'm going to suggest to you as well. And that has been done by successful people as well. When they get overwhelmed by some question and they're not figuring out the answer, they stop giving more energy to that thing. They just leave that question unanswered and give some time to their own conscience to come up with the right answer. Now let's recap. The first trick is accept that you are confused. The second trick is write down all the possible options that are coming in your mind on a paper. The third trick is pick up the option that resonates with your big goal. The fourth trick is talk to someone who you trust. The fifth one is trust your instinct. Apart from these options, if there's any other idea that you have in your mind, please mention that idea in the comment box so that can be helpful to all of us. My friends, in the end I would say, whatever option you have chosen, even if it doesn't turn out to be the right one, do not get this habit. It is absolutely fine. We all are learning. We all are learning to move ahead, to ride with the waves when life is throwing challenges at us. So don't worry about anything. Just keep on moving ahead. Do not get stuck at one place. As far as you're moving, you're growing, you're learning. But the moment you decided to be stuck, you have stopped learning and growing. I hope my video has given you some insight about how to come out of confusion. If you like the video, please remember to like this video, comment on the video so I get some inspiration from your comments, and subscribe to my channel. You can share this video with as many people as you want, and you can write to me at ishaforlifecoaching@gmail.com and I will create a video on that topic. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day ahead. May God bless you all.